Hey, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in, and in this video we are installing some LASFIT bulbs in our GX470 budget build. In the last video we introduced you to our 2006 GX470 budget build, and on the channel we do have a hard time keeping anything stock, so I figured we're going to start with the basics here. This is a very straightforward, easy installation. You shouldn't need any tools here. For this budget build, we wanted to showcase products that were easy on the wallet but also very high quality. We reached out to LASFIT and they were happy to send us a set of their low beam headlight bulbs as well as their fog lights. These are the LC Air series in an H11. Each bulb is 35 watts with 3500 lumens. The key feature to the LC Air series is that they're very compact, making installation that much easier. This is definitely just a plug and play operation. Now here's a quick comparison of the color temperature between LED versus halogen. The package does come with H11 and 9005 bulbs, so make sure you're using the correct one for your application. For the GX470s, we're using the H11 in the low beam location. And now onto the fog lights, which are going to be H3. It's simple plug and play as well. We're just removing the old halogen from the housing and then attaching the brand new LED from LASFIT. This is their 40 watt L1 Plus series. And that's it. Like I said, it's very easy. This took about 20 minutes to do. I do plan on changing the high beams eventually, but right now this looks great. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you again to LASFIT for helping us out with our budget build GX470. And if you're interested in a set of LASFIT bulbs, go ahead and click the link down in the description and use my coupon code. Thanks for watching.